I only used one juice daily, and this one secret juice cured my digestive issues, boosted my energy, and transformed my skin. Do you want to know how? Watch this video till the end.
Today we are talking about one nutrient-dense fruit rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients. From boosting immunity to improving digestion, it can significantly impact our overall health and well-being. Welcome to Health Sabs. This secret fruit is lemon. Let's explore lemon wonders. Section 1. Digestive Health. It improves digestion. Lemons contain carbohydrates, fibers, and simple sugars that can help stimulate digestion and relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating. It reduces inflammation. Lemons have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and promote healing. It supports healthy gut bacteria. Lemons contain prebiotic fibers that can help feed the good bacteria in our gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Section 2. Immune system and antioxidants. It boosts immunity. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. It has antioxidant properties. Lemons contain antioxidants that can help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. It reduces oxidative stress. Lemons have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Section 3. Heart health and weight management. Lemon is helpful to lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of lemons has been shown to help lower blood pressure levels. It improves heart health. Lemons contain potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Lemon supports weight loss. Lemons contain polyphenol that can help suppress diet-induced obesity and support weight loss. Section 4. Skin, hair, and oral health. Lemon improves skin health. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for healthy skin and can help reduce wrinkles and skin dryness. It promotes healthy hair. Lemons contain antioxidants and vitamins that can help promote healthy hair growth. It supports oral health. Lemons have antibacterial properties that can help reduce the risk of oral infections and promote healthy gums. Section 5. Energy, mood, and cognitive function. Lemon gives you energy. Lemons contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost energy levels. It improves mood. The scent of lemons has been shown to have a positive impact on mood and can help reduce stress and anxiety. It supports cognitive function. Lemons contain antioxidants and vitamins that can help support cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Section 6. Additional health benefits. This is helpful to reduce inflammation. Lemons have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. It supports healthy bones. Lemons contain calcium, which is essential for healthy bones. It may help reduce cancer risk. The antioxidants and flavonoids present in lemons have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. It supports healthy liver function. Lemons contain citric acid, which can help stimulate liver function and promote the elimination of toxins. So, go ahead and incorporate lemons into your diet to unlock their incredible health benefits. Comment below how lemon worked best for you. Like and share this video with your loved ones.